All right, LIBA 100 instructors, it is time to start recording on our spreadsheet the portfolio, the average of the first three essays 1 through 3, which is their portfolio grade. So I have added this column to the spreadsheet. This is the LIBA 100 writing grade spreadsheet. I sent that out earlier this semester. I'm resending it in the email. And in this column, this is the key column, we need the first three essays averaged. And I'm just rounding it off to 1/10 of a grade. How do you find this score? Let me show you where in your Foxtail gradebook for LIBA you can find this. So I'm just going to my LIBA course site. I'm going to the gradebook, and you will notice, I'll just show you here to review, that the course grade setup is already such that all three of the portfolio essays are in their own subfolder. They're each 10% for a total of 30% of the whole course. And this subfolder will generate its own average score. So that's what we're going to look for in the gradebook view when you see each of your students. So here's my section. The view, the general default view where you can see every student's, all their grades for the entire semester. I'm going to scroll to the right all the way, you can see the subcategories here, all the way to the writing portfolio category. You can see here listed Essay 1, Essay 2, Essay 3, and then the writing portfolio total. So find this column, this is the key column, because it will do the math for you, averaging the first three essay grades. This is the magic number here for each student. This is what I rounded off and I've started filling in these on the spreadsheet. I haven't graded all of my Essay 3s yet, just a few. Pausing to make this video. Obviously, you want to make sure before you enter any portfolio grades on the spreadsheet that you actually have a finalized grade for each of the three essays. If a student has a revision opportunity, if you haven't graded one of their essays yet, then obviously it's going to throw this number off. So they either need to have a 0 in here if they're taking an incomplete, or they need to have, you don't want to post a grade to me, an official grade to me, until you have finalized each of the three essays. Okay, that's it. Just find that number, plug that number in according to each student's name, by each student's name here in column J. And as you can see, as we preview finals week, this is where you will eventually put the timed writing assessment grade as well. That's the timed assessment they take during finals week. All right, that is a major key piece of information I need from everyone, and I would ask you to do it as soon as you can. I know it's going to take a week or two to finalize Essay 3 grading. So, but please do that and try to get that to me within a reasonable time frame, because a lot of other dominoes start falling once we know which students need the writing course and how many students need a writing course. So that would be super helpful to us. Thank you so much. Happy grading, and have